Hey everyone, Mr. Haglin here. Hope everyone's doing well. This quick little video is just a very brief overview of generally what our Google Classroom for, in this case, A Block English 9, it'll be the same for B Block as well, is going to look like. And again, things might change. We may have to adapt stuff as we go on. And I'm really hoping to get some feedback from all of you about what's working and what isn't working, so as to better make those adjustments. But for now, this is what we'll start with, and again we'll build it from there. So might look a little different student version to teacher version. I'm obviously on the teacher version, but generally speaking it should look the same. This page here is the stream, which I will plan to generally use just for announcements, things that'll be popping up as reminders or are unique to a certain assignment or situation. For instance, the intro video and the remote learning orientation are listed here for you to see, and hopefully it won't get too cluttered or too messy. Again, it'll just be for things that you need to know as stuff comes up. The classwork tab, however, is where most everything else will be housed. So classroom materials and videos, and I'll be posting these videos there as well. In this case with English 9, it's set up by units, and there are several of those. So each unit will have its own folder, and in those folders will be the notes, the readings, and the assignments necessary to show that you have mastered the skills associated with that unit. And then essays and writing prompts will be the other section at the very least. Again, things might get added. However, this is the basics that I'm planning on for now. And then people will be really where you'll see the class list, and obviously I can invite you all. And I might eventually use the grades option for Google Classroom. Regardless, everything will be in your Plus portals, which we went over in the remote learning orientation video. And that's where you'll be able to see your final grade, and we can talk more about how grades are weighted and calculated as we go on with the year. So again, things might change. This was just a quick snapshot for you of what things will look like. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know, and we'll go from there. Good luck this year.